I'm Roger Kincaid. I'm the managing director of Club Unity. We make software that serves the private club and golf club industry. One of the main reasons that we wanted to be part of the Platform Incubator is because our company really needed to scale up. It was just the two of us and a couple of contractors. We're kind of feeling around in the dark and having some limited success. But what we really needed was some mentorship, some guidance, some people to help us understand how to create processes that are going to lead to our growth, help us, make more money and turn our startup into a business. And we really found that at Platform. With a lot of, great advisors and great mentors who gave us exactly the tools that we needed at the right time so that we could get to where we are today. There's lots of experiences that are really memorable, but for sake of example, I felt like I got the cheat code to sales from one of the advisors at Platform. The advisor just basically said, "Here, let's do this, this, and this. Take that into your next sales call and let me know how it goes." And I'm not kidding, it was like a light switch. It was like, started just closing, getting more prospects, and our company feeling more success. Like watching your monthly recurring revenue numbers like swell because you changed the process is really exciting. So we talk about growth, financially the company's grown absolutely, but individually, the founders have grown in Club Unity.